Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. The greatest thing in life is to keep your mind young. Wealth, like happiness, is never attained when sought after directly. It comes as a byproduct of providing a useful service. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. If you think you can do a thing or think you can't do a thing, you're right. Hard knocks have a place and value, but hard thinking goes farther in less time. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. The Depression was just a state of mind. It is over for everyone who has changed his state of mind. Any man can learn anything he will, but no man can teach except to those who want to learn. If the people really set their minds on anything, it is impossible to prevent their getting what they want. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do and then do it. We don't want tradition, we want to live in the present, and the only history that is worth a tinker's damn is the history we make today. The short successes that can be gained in a brief time and without difficulty are not worth much. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. Two classes of people lose money: those who are too weak to guard what they have, those who win money by trick. They both lose in the end. An imitation may be quite successful in its own way, but imitation can never be success. Success is a first-hand creation. I do not believe a man can ever leave his business. He ought to think of it by day and dream of it by night. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man will have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. Most people think that faith means believing something. Oftener it means trying something, giving it a chance to prove itself.